you are! What are you doing? Where's your brother? Your new baby brother. You gotta look after him. You gotta take care of him, Borgy. Borgy, this is your baby brother. Remember? You gotta watch over him, Borgy. This is your job as a big brother, to keep an eye on him, alright? Are we clear on this? Okay, I'm counting on you, Borgy. You can do it. I'll be right back. Borgy, what are you doing? That's not the right way to treat your brother. Come on, you can do better than that.
A few inches later.
Okay, Borgy, you gotta learn how to handle your brother with care. Now, you gotta show me how you're gonna take good care of him right now. Borgy, you gotta go easy on your brother. That's not right, Borgy. That's not the proper way to handle your brother with care. Be careful, that's your baby brother. You're hurting him, Borgy. You gotta calm down. Look at him, he's crying. Okay, Borgy, this is your chance to redeem yourself. Don't let your brother fall down from the table. You gotta save him, Borgy. Whoa, watch out! Be careful. You might break his neck. Borgy, he's about to fall. You gotta save him. Yes, good job. All right, Borgy, let's do it again. Don't let your brother fall down. You gotta rescue him, Borgy. Move fast. Oh, no! He's about to fall down! You gotta save him, Borgy! You gotta save him! You got it, Borgy! Good job!
A few moments later.
Congratulations, Borgy! You just passed the test! One final test for you! I want you to stay here. Just imagine that your brother is away from you. Are you gonna look after him or not? What's your answer, Borgy? What? Borgy?